Hi friends, this is dietitian Apeksha Thakkar. I am a dietitian, certified diabetes educator and a nutrigenomic counselor practicing in Mumbai from past 14 years. Because of the sudden lockdown period, I have shifted all my consultations to 100% online consultation, and in this particular video I am going to discuss about the problems and the solutions pertaining to what my patients are practically going through from past 2 weeks, when I give away them the diet charts and ask them to come back for the follow-up, after 10 days. This video is specifically for those, who are working from home, but yet they are desperate to make sure that, their health is managed wisely. The first and the most practical problem, what I'm going, I'm being bombarded with is, minor gut disturbances. Your digestive process is a very complex process, and 80% of your total energy expenditure is spent on the digestion. If you don't take care of your digestion and your gut health, there are a lot of other factors like brain health and other vital functions of the body which are compromised. The most primary thing what I have understood, from my food logs is overeating. People are not understanding for the fact that you need to eat for your current state of body, not for something which you always wanted to. For example, if you are on a weight loss program and where you knew that your physical activity levels, your food habits, everything is in place, and you were consuming X amount of calories, which supported your physical activity to give you results. That's not the case now, because there is a decline and there is a steep in your physical activity levels. Your resting energy metabolism, your PMR, which helps your body to burn out calories, is compromised. It has gone sluggish. So it's very important that you consult a qualified dietitian. Make sure that you are considering your present health scenario and you are chalking out a customized diet chart for yourself. So overeating is something which has to be refrained from. Second, break up your meals into small and frequent meals. As a dietitians, we have always told people to break up your meals into small and frequent meals, because you don't end up taxing your digestive process. It's very important that you give your body, your digestion, some equal rest, and make sure that you're dividing your meals as per the dietitian's advice. Third, include probiotics. Gut health and probiotics have a very close association. Most of people who are working from home is they fail to understand that elaborative meals don't help. When I spoke about overeating, I also wanted to probably clarify this, that absence of probiotic, which is a simple curd, a homemade yogurt, I would say, unflavored, unsweetened yogurt is an excellent source of probiotics. Please, people, include it at least 2 times in your diet, for lunch or dinner, to make sure that your gut health is optimal and you're not facing any issues related to gastric disturbances. Fourth, do not eat just because you're bored. This is a very important point which I need to address in my video, because I have seen 90% of my patients, who are working from home, they eat food when they actually need water. So dehydration and eating out of boredom are closely interconnected. When you actually need water, the signals given by your brain for thirst and hunger are exactly the same. So they camouflage each other. When your body actually needs water, you end up eating more. That will lead to weight gain, and that will definitely tax your digestion and destroy your gut health simultaneously. So it's a vicious cycle where you need to understand that you need to correct your digestion. If you want to correct your digestion, you need to make sure that you're including a good food, small and frequent meals, you're hydrating yourself well, you're not eating food when your body actually needs water. So that is something where you need to make sure that you follow a good routine, and you make sure that whatever amount of water you're supposed to drink per day in terms of liters or glasses, just get it measured and make sure that you are reaching your target of doing that. Fourth, lack of physical activity, because we all are under home arrest. We know that there are a lot of limitations pertaining to physical activity. Physical activity can be compromised, but doing some yoga asanas, some stretching exercises, some floor exercises will definitely aid your digestion, keep your gut health healthy. At the same time, it will not allow you to put on those extra weight, and not to forget, it will also add on to extra productivity and efficiency which you need working from home environment. So that is something where you need to take care that you are following a mild 15-20 minutes exercise routine 2 times a day to make sure that your digestion isn't getting compromised. Most important factor is sleep. Because our routine might go slightly dicey when we are working from home, because we are cutting down on the extra traveling time. We kind of face a lot of issues related to management of time and other stuff. It's very important to make sure that even if you are at rest, you are at least giving away 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep per night, to make sure that your digestion, your gastric health and other body functions are working smoothly without any destruction. So this is a small video which I guess would definitely be of great help to make sure that you are managing your health well, wisely during this testing times. For further online consultation, you can visit my library profile, and you can make sure that you are getting yourself a personalized and customized diet chart based on your lifestyle. Thank you so much.